In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello as a CRM. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to manage your customer relationships, Trello can be a fantastic tool. Today, I'm going to guide you through the steps of setting it up as your personal CRM system. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to visit Trello.com, and if you haven't already, log in or sign up. It's simple to register, and if you already have an account, logging in is a breeze. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your workspace dashboard. This is your central hub where all your boards and team collaborations come to life. Now that you're in the dashboard, go ahead and click on the button that says Create a New Board. This is where the organization begins. Instead of starting from scratch, let's save some time. Select the option to Start with a Template. This feature is incredibly useful as it provides a pre-structured board that you can easily modify to fit your needs. Next, click on Explore Templates. This action will open a plethora of templates to choose from, each professionally designed to suit various purposes. Since we're focusing on CRM today, type CRM Pipeline Template in the search bar. This should give you a collection of templates tailored specifically for managing customer relationships and sales funnels. Once you've found the template that looks right for you, it's time to customize it. Think about the stages of your sales process or how you interact with your customers. Customize the board by adding stages that match your CRM process. For example, you might include stages such as lead, contacted, proposal sent, negotiation, and closed. Tailor these lists to fit your specific workflow and business requirements. Now let's focus on adding customer or deal cards. These cards are where you'll keep all the relevant details about your customers or sales opportunities. Click to add a card under the appropriate list. Fill in details such as customer name, contact information, and any notes pertinent to their case. This ability to centralize information helps ensure you never miss a beat in your customer interactions. Finally, one of Trello's most intuitive features allows you to use drag and drop to move these cards through your sales stages. As your interactions progress, simply drag the card from one list to the next, moving from stage to stage until you reach closure. This not only keeps everything organized, but gives you a visual sense of progress. And there you have it. With Trello set up as a CRM, you now have a clear, organized way to track your customer interactions and sales processes. This setup keeps everything transparent and easy to manage, ensuring that you stay on top of your customer relationships. Thanks for joining me, and happy organizing.